Who would have imagined that the cryptocurrency sector would undergo a transformation led by XRP Ripple? It all looks extremely complicated, but to put it simply, the US is pumping $20 trillion into XRP Ripple to get its price up to $154. Doesn't it sound enticing? Such a bullish indicator has never been seen before. You will undoubtedly be astounded by that video. Let's get right to the point without further ado. Withdrawal. Over the past year, the cryptocurrency market has experienced substantial expansion, motivated by the expectation of more certain legislative frameworks and institutional investment. Alongside industry titans like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ripple's native cryptocurrency, XRP, has stood out among the many digital assets gaining from this boom. A Forbes report claims that the recent surge in the cryptocurrency market is due to the rising perception that the US government is opening up to cryptocurrencies and creating more favorable conditions for their development. The digital currency that Ripple Labs created is called XRP, created principally to enable quick and economical international payments. In contrast to Bitcoin, which is a decentralized digital currency, XRP functions as part of a semi-centralized system that collaborates closely with financial institutions and banks. Using XRP to effectively bridge several fiat currencies, Ripple aims to offer a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange, and remittance network. The Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States, which was formerly renowned for its strict position on digital assets, appears to be taking a more methodical approach. This change may lead to more investor trust and widespread use of XRP and other cryptocurrencies. An important event that could further affect the price of XRP is the impending presidential election in the United States. Co-founder of the BitMEX exchange, Arthur Hayes, believes the election may be a turning point for the Bitcoin sector. Hayes argues in a thorough blog post that a number of interrelated elements related to the election may cause XRP and other digital assets to see a significant price surge. The main thrust of Hayes' thesis is that a possible depreciation of the Japanese yen will force China, Japan, and the United States to act. Hayes claims that as part of its economic plan, the Biden administration may boost dollar liquidity in reaction to the declining value of the yen. In response to the yen's fall, Hayes suggests that the Federal Reserve might create additional dollars, which could bring in more liquidity for the financial sector. More rules that are favorable to cryptocurrencies and higher liquidity might be the perfect storm for XRPs and other digital assets price increases. It's an audacious prediction. According to Hayes, there will be more dollar and yuan liquidity, which will drive up the price of Bitcoin to $1 million and possibly even $20 trillion in market capitalization. XRP would surely benefit greatly from such a scenario as well, considering the general upbeat atmosphere it would foster in the cryptocurrency market. However, how is it related to XRP? Ripple has partnered with a number of global financial institutions. Financial institutions such as Standard Chartered, American Express, and Santander are either experimenting with or have already incorporated Ripple's technology into their operations. Along with proving Ripple's technology, these alliances improve XRP's use and liquidity. Furthermore, XRP is utilized by Ripple's on-demand liquidity service to supply liquidity for international transactions instantly, doing away with the requirement for pre-funded accounts. Adoption of this service has been growing, which has strengthened XRP's position in the worldwide ecosystem. It is obvious that such a large sum of money might have a big effect on the price of XRP Ripple in theory. However, what price are we discussing? What effect might $20 trillion have on the cryptocurrency that we all adore? I promise you that the response provided by the specialists will astound you. The excitement in the cryptocurrency industry is palpable as prominent analyst Crypto Bull has discovered a pattern on the chart that may indicate a remarkable spike in the price of XRP, possibly rising to a startling $154. A recent research by Crypto Bull emphasized past trends and chart patterns that point to the possibility of a significant upward advance for XRP, stoking bullish feelings in spite of the cryptocurrency's recent underperformance. XRP's performance has been lackluster since October 2023, increasing by just 4%. This stands in sharp contrast to the notable increases in other prominent cryptocurrencies over the same time frame. Solana has increased by an astounding 690%, Ethereum by 124%, and Bitcoin by 154%. 2 months ago, the Crypto Basic revealed that over the previous year, XRP had not outperformed as many as 61% of the top 100 cryptocurrency assets. Nevertheless, past trends indicate that XRP might be ready for a sharp correction, akin to its phenomenal surge in 2017 when it beat the market as a whole, rising 48,823%. The 2014 and 2018 cycle, in which XRP soared from less than a cent in early 2014 to an all-time high of $3.84 for January 2018, a spectacular 192,000% growth over nearly 4 years, is comparable to the current market conditions, according to Crypto Bull's analysis. The creation of an ascending broadening wedge on the monthly chart was a significant pattern that was seen during this time. higher lows and higher highs describe it. This pattern, in spite of its usual bearish tendency, came before XRP's spectacular ascent. According to Crypto Bull, this pattern has been repeated by XRP since its price fell to 11 cents in March 2020. The analyst forecasts a possible price increase that might propel XRP to an ambitious objective of $154 based on this historical pattern. Reaching this goal would result in a price gain of 139,900%, increasing the market capitalization of XRP to $8.5 trillion. Presuming that its supply and circulation stays constant, you are undoubtedly unprepared for something on this enormous a magnitude. But hold on, things are going to get even more fascinating. Now let's discuss the forthcoming US presidential election, in which Trump may play a significant role in pushing XRP Ripple above $100. You won't want to miss this, I assure you. During a recent Donald Trump campaign rally in the South Bronx, New York, one of his supporters made a daring statement regarding XRP. Among the passionate throng, a person displayed a sign stating, XRP is not a security, in addition to being documented on camera by Fox Business News. This act of advocacy was also posted on social media by Craig Britton, an XRP fan located in the United States. Given that the verdict is about a year old, there are questions about the timeliness of this audacious declaration made by Trump at his campaign event. However, it's important to note that Trump's campaign just embraced the cryptocurrency trend, creating a gateway for donations of cryptocurrencies, including XRP. Trump has been very clear in his stance on the matter. If re-elected, he promises to approve Bitcoin transactions. In addition, he has presented a government that is eager to avoid onerous crypto laws, which stands in sharp contrast to the Biden administration's apparent animosity towards the sector. The XRP supporter may have been thanking Trump for his pro-crypto policies by displaying this placard. Perhaps in an attempt to highlight Trump's backing for the cryptocurrency space, the person brought the court's decision to light. It might have also been a conflict with broad ramifications for the whole cryptocurrency industry. Many in the Bitcoin industry have praised Trump's turn towards acceptance and endorsement of cryptocurrencies as a great step forward. The alleged dedication of his administration to creating a favorable regulatory atmosphere may be favorable for the development and growth of the sector. The impact on the upcoming presidential election is still a topic of intense conjecture and observation as the crypto landscape continues to change. All things considered, the XRP sign raised above the chaos of Trump's rally is a powerful representation of the developing relationship between politics and cryptocurrencies, a relationship that will likely influence both fields' future forms in the days to come. Prepare for a new turn in the story, as if the scene weren't set for an exciting crypto battle already. The XRP Ripple partners entered the battle and managed to drive up the price of the coin. It's becoming more and more obvious that the world of digital assets is undergoing seismic changes, and XRP Ripple is leading this revolution. Stay tuned as we explore the drama that is developing and explain how these significant partners are influencing XRP Ripple's future. The excitement surrounding the debut of exchange-traded funds has reached a fever pitch in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies. Recent information indicates that financial organizations like Standard Chartered anticipate the launch of an XRP ETF by 2025, which may be a game-changer for cryptocurrency investors everywhere. Let's examine the most recent advancements and how they affect the market. With all the excitement over ETFs, there's growing conjecture that XRP might be the next big thing to get an ETF emulating Ethereum. Chartered, a prominent international bank, has given weight to this rumor by claiming that XRP, which is frequently hailed as a disruptive power in international payments, is a viable option to be included in an ETF with Solana. According to the bank's analysts, the introduction of an XRP ETF might increase its market value and draw new institutional investors into the XRP ecosystem. However, what's the big deal with ETFs and why are they so important to XRP Ripple? To put it plainly, ETFs provide investors with a safe, easy way to invest in cryptocurrencies like XRP without having to possess the underlying assets. ETFs have the potential to expand XRP's investor base and enhance its market liquidity by making it easier for both institutional and retail investors to access the stock. This would support XRP's price stability and general market health. What are your thoughts on that? That is the only question left. Do you think XRP Ripple will rise? Which predictions do you have? Tell me in the space provided for comments. Would be interested in learning. We have now reached the conclusion of this video. I appreciate you seeing. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment with your questions or views, and hit the like button if you found the information informative and enjoyable.